Welcome, my phone is a Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM ejector. I have one right here. They come provided in a box with the device, so you can find it somewhere over there. And if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip like this one. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just fine. So from there, you want to push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So you can see it right here. There we go. Now it popped out. Okay, so once it pops out, you can take it out and you can see that you have access to 2 different SIM trays and 1 SD tray. Now I'm only gonna put 1 SIM card in. So I want to put it like so. As you can see, make sure it's laying flush on the tray, and it's a nice tray that actually doesn't come out of it. So some of the trays, when you place the cards in there, they're loose, so they would fall out, but this one actually holds it in, so you can just slide it back into the device. And from here there is the icon for the SIM card, or SD card I meant, and SIM card, there it is, it's loading. So you can see both of them are working just fine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.